Today we are in Roccascalegna, in a small hamlet near the village. Roccascalegna is a beautiful village situated at 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast and 30 minutes drive from the Majella mountains. As you can see, it is quite an isolated, not completely isolated spot because you have neighbors around, as you can see. That's the road that we're coming from, and that's the property. The property also has a garage, perfect for parking a car. And that's the main entrance, under a lovely wooden porch. This is the main entrance. Here we have a fully equipped kitchen with a perfectly working fireplace. Proceeding from the kitchen, on the ground floor, we find also a little laundry corner where you can hook up your washing machine, and a little sink, and also the third bathroom with a large shower. That's some staining due to the humidity because the house was closed for quite a long time. Also here you have some cracks. But nothing structural. They just need some maintenance and attention. Next to the kitchen, we find a living room with a thermal fireplace. Here you have another entrance, and there the staircase going up to the first floor. Under here there is some storage space. And this is the first bedroom. As you can see, it's quite a nice size. And this bedroom avails of an ensuite toilet with a window, just a sink and a toilet. And now we're going upstairs. We are on the first floor, where we find a second large bedroom, with a balcony with a beautiful view of the surrounding hills. The property also avails of 1,100 square meters of land, as you can see, with 30 olive trees. That's the borders. That's the garage. And here you have a little stable. The balcony goes all the way. This way we have another bedroom. As you can see, there's a little staining here because this is the chimney, but nothing too serious. And here you have the same balcony.
If you like it here, you take it. Come visit me. I live on the other side of Roccascalegna. I live alone and I'm right in the middle.
And here you have the bathroom. With shower facilities. Now we are back outside. This is the other entrance. The house has all utilities connected, water, gas, electricity, so central heating system is present. And it's on the market for 90,000 euros.